how to send message effects on Instagram. Firstly, when it comes up into a situation like this one, simply you're gonna go on your chat selections by scrolling on your right side. Then you're gonna find out the person size in which you're gonna try this simple trick. For example, we're gonna go with this one, and you're gonna type, for example, hi. And now if you want to take over and add effects on this message, you need to tap and hold on sending button. And right after you do that, you need to go on that search box right here, just tap on that side. And as you can see, you have 4 different options. For example, you're gonna go with fire. Now I'm gonna go with hoe, and I'm gonna tap again right here, and I'm gonna go with a gift. Yeah, and now if he or she tap this GIF, yeah, it will shows up the message that I have got it. Again, if I go, for example, this one, and then you can simply add water session, or you're gonna go a love story with this effect.